Welcome to the new content, your passport to a global culinary adventure. Every Sunday at 9 a.m. Join us as we explore the rich tapestry of beverages, foods, and desserts from around the world. Embark on a journey that breaks borders, transcends cultural barriers, and defies time constraints. We are not just making recipes. We are unraveling the stories, benefits, and histories behind every sip and bite. And you can try these recipes at home very easily. Imagine a place where flavors dance and histories unfold, where every creation becomes a bridge connecting us through the universal language of taste. It's not just a channel, it's a flavorful mission. Subscribe now and be part of a community that celebrates diversity, one delicious creation at a time. The new content, because the world is a banquet and every dish is a story waiting to be told. Have a nice day.